this practical, we will authenticate the reaction of B with analytical and graphical method. That means practical method. So for that, to perform the practical, we need a few apparatus. That is parallel force apparatus, beam, few weights, and a scale over here. Okay. So here, as we know, in the equilibrium condition, all the vertical force, horizontal force, and moment in any section will be zero. And this is the observation table, in which we need to fill the few details. For example, first one, the initial reading at the left support. That is, here it is mentioned 0. See, if you see, it is 0. Okay, so initial reading at the support will be 0. Now, at the same time, here in the right hand side, you can see here it is a 0. Okay, so initial reading, that is observed reading initially without loading the particular beam, it is 0. Now, we will apply few loads. So, for example, we are applying few loads. This is first angle, this is second angle. Okay, and third angle. So, I am applying a few loads over here. Okay. Now, if you see the length of the particular beam, if I put the scale over here, it is about 48, and here it is 0. Here, where I put the red, it is 0, and if I measure here, it is again 48. So the total length of beam is 96. Okay. So from here, the load of the first point, or the distance of the first load, that is 28 centimeter, and for the second load, that is 48 centimeter. Okay, so we will put these readings over there, but before that, we will analyze the particular reading shown over here. It is just before 3. If you see, you can easily identify this line which is still visible. So it is a quite less than 3. So it will be around 2.9. It will be around 2.9. Okay. So the final reading at the left hand support will be 2.9. Okay. And similarly here, just a second. Yes. Here, it is almost 2, just before 2. Okay. So here it will be 1.9. Okay, so this is the observed reading, and from this, if you calculate 3 minus 1, it is 2.9, and 4 minus 2, that is again 1.9. So the reaction at the left support will be 2.9, and reaction at the right support will be 1.9, and I am putting these values as a reaction in the graphical method, 2.9 and 1.9. Okay, and if we see the weights over here, it is each of the 500 gram. As I show you, see here each weight is of 500 gram. So the total weight here is 200 kg, and this is of 119 gram. So total weight will be 2.619 kg into 10, and that is equals to 26.19 Newton. 26.19 Newton. And over here, it is each weight is of 1 kg. So total 2 kg. And this hanger's weight is 116 gram. So the total weight will be 2.116 into 10, and that is equals to 21.16 Newton. And as we have calculated the distance part here, from the load of the distance of the W1, that is 28 centimeter. So that is 28 centimeter, and for the second part it is 48 centimeter. Now we will calculate the analytical result and compare it with the graphical result. That practical, I have graphically represented that this 21.16 Newton, that is W1, 26.19 Newton, that is W2, which is acting at 28 centimeter and 48 centimeter respectively, and the length of beam is 96 centimeter as shown on in the beam. Now we will calculate the RA and RB, and as we know, moment at A equals to 0, which implies clockwise moment equals to anti-clockwise moment, or you can say counterclockwise moment. So here the clockwise moment is due to 21.16 into 0.28 plus 26.19 into 0.48, and which is equals to reaction at B point into 0.96. Now if we do the calculations, that is 21.16 into 0.28 equals to plus into bracket 26.19 into 0.48, and that is equals to 18.496, and that is equals to RB into 0.96. So divided by 0.96, and that is equals to RB is equals to 19.267 Newton, which is equals to 1.926 kg. RB is equals to 1.926 kg. So over here we will write 1 point, here in this portion we will write 1.926, which is an analytical solution. Now we know that the sum of the vertical force is equals to 0, hence RA plus RB, and that is equals to W1 plus W2. Hence RA plus 1.926, and that is equals to 2.116 plus 2.619, and hence RA equals to 2.116 plus 2.619 minus 1.926, and that is equals to 2.8. So here we will write 2.809. So you can see the supported analytical solution of the reaction at left hand support and graphical solution of the reaction at left hand support, which is very much near to each other. And similarly, the analytical reaction at right hand support and graphical reaction at right hand support, which is almost equal. Hence we can verify or we can show the reaction support with the use of graphical method as well as analytical method.